if God want everyone believe in Islam, so why there is a person in this part of this world who never get a chance to know about Islam? They don't expose Islam.
So Allah says
Is
in
it
the
they
Quran,
will go to heaven after they death?
Allah says in the Quran, if He wanted, He could have made everyone Muslim. Very easy for Him.
No.
Then where is the test?
Yeah.
Allah says in the Quran in Surah Mulk, chapter number 6 and verse number 2, Alladhi khalaqal mawta wal hayata. Allah has stated that Allah is to test which you are feeling good indeed. So this life is a test for us. Now the question is that what if someone is there in the world which hasn't heard about Islam? Now in today's world, this is hypothetical. For today's world is a global village. If you had told me this 100 years back, 200 years back, okay, possible. Now the world is a global village. Everything is there. I doubt there will be a human being who has not heard about Islam. May have heard less. But there's a verse in the Quran, Surah Fussilat, chapter number 41, verse number 53, where Allah says, Sanurihim ayatina fil afaqi wa fi anfusihim hatta yatabayna anna. That soon we shall show them our signs in the furthest regions of the horizons and into their soul until it is clear to them this is the truth. So Allah says in the Quran, He will show to every human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, any human being, His signs. What are His signs? The stars, the sun, the moon. Until it is clear to them. And now, this is the truth. That means Allah takes it upon Himself to show every human being himself the haqq. So he may get the haqq, but he may not accept it for his personal reasons. You understand? So no one in the world at the day of judgment can tell Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I did not get the message.
Okay.
You understand, no?
Yeah.
Yes, if a person is a child and if he dies before becoming an adult, the Prophet said the pen is lifted over a person who's a child. So if a child does something wrong, he's not responsible. So there's a view that all people who die before becoming adult, they go to Jannah.
Okay.
Even if he's born in a Hindu family or a Christian family, if he dies before becoming an adult, he goes to Jannah. But just because he's born in a Hindu family or a Christian family, that doesn't mean that he will go to hell. Every child is born in Din al-Fitr. Every child, when he's born with the innate religion, Muslim. Muslim means submitting your will to God. Later on, the Prophet said, he's influenced by his parents, by his teachers, then he started doing idol worship, fire worship, and then he changes from Muslim to non-Muslim. He changes from Islam, and then that's the reason when a non-Muslim becomes a Muslim, we call the word revert, not convert. Revert means he was originally born as a Muslim, became a non-Muslim, then he came back to his original deen, Islam.